Oh, back to school, to prove to Dad that I'm not a fool. I got my lunch packed up, my boots tied tight. I hope I don't get in a fight. Oh, back to school, back to school.
Hi, welcome to 5th grade.
It's the most wonderful time of the year. It's that time of year again. They're going back! It's back to school time at Staples. Over 7,000 supplies at guaranteed low prices. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Staples. Yeah, we got that.
It's our favorite time of summer, time to get school supplies. Whee! The first and most important thing on your supply list is the zipper binder. Notice, it zips. It has an inside compartment already built in for your pencils and supplies. This is the kind of binder you want. You do not want this kind of binder. It's a nice binder. It's not acceptable. And you definitely do not want a binder like that. Oh.
Let's see, the next thing on our list, folders. I love this folder. I am definitely going to get this folder.
Stop! Wait!
This folder is not acceptable because it doesn't have holes. However, this folder has holes that you can put in the ever important binder. You need 6 folders.
Okay, it's time to get out your notebook.
Mrs. Mitchell, I don't have my science notebook.
You are supposed to have a 5-subject notebook, wide ruled, so that all of your classes can be in one notebook. The next item on our list is book socks. We have a large variety of book socks here. We have the printed jumbo book sock, which work best with 5th grade books. And we also have the new scratch and sniff book socks. Strawberry scented scratch and sniff. One final note. Book socks are for books, not for your heads. One thing that you cannot get by without in school is a large supply of pencils. Any pencils will do. Make sure they are sharpenable pencils. You may also want a pencil sharpener. Make sure that your pencil sharpener has a case for catching the pencil shavings. Not this type. It must catch the shavings. And because we are all learners, we often make mistakes that need corrected, so you need a large supply of pencil top erasers. You're also going to need some pens. Now, we don't use the pens to do our homework or classwork, but we will use the pens for editing and grading. I like this pack of pens because look, bonus candy. But if you get this pack of pens, you must give Mrs. Mitchell the purple pen, Mrs. Hunkus the teal pen, Mrs. Davenport the blue pen, and you need to give the candy to one of us.
Next up, for your 5th grade supply list, you're going to need a box of colored pencils. We don't use crayons in 5th grade because colored pencils are a lot easier to work with for some of those great projects you're going to be doing.
Dry erase markers, we use them all the time. It's great for us, just a quick assessment of what you know on those nice little dry erase boards. We don't care what size, just have more than one.
Oh, and don't forget the highlighters.
In order to survive in 5th grade, you're also going to need a good pair of scissors. You have 3 selections of scissors to choose from. The elementary scissors, the middle school scissors, and the adult scissors. Since you're now in 5th grade, you're no longer an elementary student, so we don't want these scissors. And you're not quite an adult, so you don't want these scissors. You want the perfect 5th grade scissors.
Wait. Another thing on our list is glue sticks. Notice, we only need glue sticks. If you want the colorful glue sticks, that would be fine. But we do not want the liquid glue. This is a little bit hard to pour. The next thing on our list is rulers. For math class, you'll need a ruler that has both centimeters and inches. You could use a nice wooden ruler. You could use a nice plastic ruler. But make sure it's a 12-inch ruler. Just because this comes in 2 6-inch rulers, you can't put them together to make one 12-inch ruler. Also, none of the fold-up or bendable rulers. Make sure that it is one straight ruler.
And to make sure you start off 5th grade on the right foot, you might want to bring a little present for your teacher. I prefer something in the Post-it category. These are nice because they have punctuation marks at the end.
And look at these awesome blue gel pens that are erasable. The perfect gift for your favorite science teacher.
Look at these cute clips. Wouldn't that be fun to see all your work clipped together in these fun clips?
Mrs. Mitchell, what's wrong?
Sad. Summer's over.
Oh, I know. 5th graders, don't forget, you need to bring in 1 box of tissues to help console your teachers that summer's over.
Failure is not an option.